This is wonderful. I understand you have 183 countries here. How do you do it, David? It's almost another United Nations, except that you have stronger voices, you are younger, you are more dynamic, and you probably have something to teach us, the old generation, when it comes to working together. Good.
What we'll do very quickly, because we have about 4 minutes left, is just each one of the three of you ask your question, and then Mr. Annan can put an answer across the three together. So very quickly, who you are and your question.
Mr. Annan, thanks for your generosity for the book. Just for your information, there are 184 countries in this room, not 183. Just because the UN does not recognize it, it doesn't mean that Kurdistan does not exist. So I'm Karov from Kurdistan.
You've declared independence.
Excuse me? That's it. And there is the flag. So